Now let us take one example for your better understanding. Suppose we have one number 4225 and we need to find a square root of this using division method. So from right to left we are going to pair it up as we have learned, right? Now we are going to find the divisor whose square should be less than or equal to 42. Since as we know 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 7 is 49. That's why we are taking the smaller one, that is square of 6. As we can't take 7 because as square of 7 is greater than 42. We have decided to take 6 times 6 36 as this square is only closer to 42. We can't take 5 times 5 that is 25 or any other number. The square of a number must be closer to 42. So now we are going to write 6 these two places and 36 over here. After doing subtraction, 42 minus 36 will give you 6, right? Then we will copy this pair here. Now 625 is our new dividend. Now addition of these two number, or we can say twice of divisor, should be written over here. Now we need to select a number at the unit place, so on doing multiplication the number should be closer or less than 625. So if you will check that, we are getting 625, so we can write 5 as our unit digit. So we'll write 5 over here and over here. Clear? Now 625 will be the multiplication, and if you will subtract you will get nothing. So we have got our final answer. 65 is the square root of 4225. I hope you have understood. Now let us take one more example. Let us take example of 5-digit number. So the number is 66,049, right? Now start pairing from right to left. We are end up with 2 pairs and 1 unpaired. So there are 3 bars. Now we have to take such number whose square should be less than or equal to 6. If we will take 2, then it will be 4. If we will take 3, then it is 9. But 9 is greater than 6. That's why we are taking 2, as 2 times 2 is 4. So we will write 4 here and 2 at these two places. After subtracting we are getting 2 and we will copy next pair over here. Now we will add or twice this divisor, we will get 4 as our new divisor. We will assume any unit digit such that on multiplication our answer should be less than or equal to 260. Now you have to assume unit digit, right? I have taken 5 directly, so if you will do so, yes, we have got 225. Let us check for 46 into 6. We will get 36, 3 and 27, right? As you can see, 276 is greater than 260. That's why we are taking 5 as our unit digit. So writing 5 over here and here. Now 45 is our new divisor. So 225, on subtracting we will get 10 minus 5 is 5 and 5 minus 2 will gives you 3. So 35 is our remainder. Now next what we are going to do, we are going to copy the last pair. Again we are going to add 45 plus the unit digit of the quotient, or I can say the unit digit that we have taken before this step. So 45 plus 5 will gives you 50. Now in 50 we have to add one unit digit such that our number should be less than or equal to 3549. So randomly I am taking 5, and if you will solve this, 2 5 times is 25. It is still less than our new dividend. So we are moving to the next possible number. Let us take 7. If we will multiply 507 into 7, then let us check what we are going to get. We will get 7 times 7 is 49. We will write 4 over here, and 5 times 7 is 35. Yes, we got it. The answer is absolutely equal to our new dividend, right? So what we are going to do? Two places we need to write this 7. At the unit place and at the quotient. 7 this side and 7 this side, right? And we will write 3549 over here. After subtracting, you will see that we will get no result, and this is our quotient, our final answer. It means that square root of 66,049 is 257. How easy it is to find, right? Now you learned two methods to find square root. One is this and one is prime factorization method. I hope so you have understood.